Welcome back. And this is how to fix Pigeon Acer plus Induction Cooktop E2 error. So first one is switch off the cooktop and unplug it from the power for safety. And guys, E2 error on Pigeon induction cooktops usually means that it is overheating or it has a high voltage issue. So first, make sure to let the cooktop rest for 10 to 15 minutes to cool if it has overheated. And you could also make sure the voltage in your socket is stable within the required range. Usually it will be 220 to 240 volts, and avoid using damaged extension cords to avoid this issue. Now, you could also go for proper ventilation. Just simply place the cooktop on a flat, heat resistant surface with enough airflow around it, because blocked vents can trigger this error. And now, if the problem persists, the internal sensor or circuit may be faulty, so just simply contact Pigeon customer care or an authorized service center to fix this issue.